Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Chase bank account number. So this is going to become particularly useful just in case, let's say someone needs to wire transfer you some money. So before we get started, I do want to make sure that to remind you to have the latest version of the Chase app installed, just so that this video is up to date and works for you. So first what we're going to do is go onto our Chase app. Now from here, what you want to do is click on the account in which you want the account number for. So we're just going to click on this first account here. Now, once you reach this page here, in order to get your account number, you're going to click on this button that says show details. So click on show details. And then from here on the left hand side, you're going to see account number. Right now I have my account number blocked, but here the account number is technically going to be right above the routing number. So just for some security purposes, make sure that you're not sharing your account number with anyone, and only for an individual who you're actually receiving a wire transfer from. So that is the best way I've been able to actually find my account number. If you know of a better or easier way to actually find your account number, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.